This is a turbocharger. It uses exhaust gases from the engine to spin a turbine and force more air into the engine, increasing power and efficiency. But how does it work? A turbocharger consists of two main sides connected by a solid steel center shaft. On one end is the compressor, housed in a specially shaped spiral casing called a volute. On the opposite end sits the high-temperature turbine. The compressor wheel acts like a powerful fan, drawing in fresh air and packing it tightly. The turbine wheel captures heavy thermal energy to drive the entire system. Connecting them are floating journal bearings, allowing the shaft to spin safely friction-free at over 100,000 RPM. To survive these brutal speeds without tearing itself apart, pressurized oil is constantly pumped into the core. This creates a high-pressure oil cushion that floats the spinning shaft, completely preventing metal-on-metal wear. Let's watch how this entire loop functions in perfect harmony. It all starts when fresh, cold air enters the compressor. The wheel rams the air into the outer volute, compressing it to create powerful boost pressure for the engine cylinders. Simultaneously, engine oil cycles through the bearings, keeping the spinning shaft cool. This massive mechanical rotation is entirely powered by the engine's hot exhaust gas. It enters the turbine tangentially, violently spinning the blades before exiting the exhaust pipe. Exhaust drives the turbine spins the shaft, and the shaft forces the compressor to feed the engine. A perfect, endless cycle of power.